Good morning everyone and welcome to today's vlog. So I'm actually sitting here by the Arima Omera traffic lights. Me and my boy Dumpling, who I'll show you just now, we've stopped to get doubles and sahina for breakfast. So as you know, or you may not know, this is being filmed the day after Tropical Storm Bonnie. This big tropical storm now supposed to come and ravage Trinidad. Turned out nothing really went on. It barely even rained. It was less than a normal rain shower it seems. However, what you may not know is that when these storms do come near or hit Trinidad, it's very good for surfing and often great surfing conditions. So while people are strapping up in their houses, surfers often flock to the coast in search of big, really perfect waves with great conditions, as these storms often ironically take away a lot of the winds, making the ocean very glassy and beautiful once they have passed. So we're going up the coast today to Toco. We don't know where we're going yet, but we're gonna see if we can find some surfers, some great waves, and just see how things looking up on that side after Tropical Storm Bonnie. So come and check me out for this mission and let me see what we find. It should be a good adventure. Blessings people, let's go. So we've just pulled up here at Silibia Beach in a little bit after Matura, and so much for storm weather there. There's definitely like a lot of cloud and stuff around, but it looks like it'll rain and then be sun, rain and be sun for the day. So the waves aren't too big right here, there's no surfers here, so it's kind of just a first stop to see what's going on. However, interestingly, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but I'll try and get close. There's a little dog that's stranded on an island that's outside of the tide. Let me show you. all the rains obviously came down last night and like bust this river, so it created a little separation from the mainland to a small little sandbank out there. But interestingly as well, it brought a bunch of logs and leaves down and formed them in perfect little clusters right at the edge of the beach here. Right, so we now reached a place that is known as Big Bay here in Toco. It's in San Souci, Toco, and they have some big waves going on out there, and I'm seeing surfers, so I'm gonna try and get some shots of them with the camera and the drone. Let's see if we can get a surf video running, and of course say hi to my friend. What you doing there? You know, we always have the beach doggy friends. Dublin there again, ready to take some pictures. Oh boy, just chilling under the car there. Alright guys, enjoy. Hopefully these surfers are safe. Let's go and film some big waves. Pups, you happy? I hope you like my little makeshift hat here. It's been really hard to fly the drone, to take video. The rain keeps coming and then stopping, coming and stopping. But we're getting a little footage and I hope you're enjoying it at least a little bit. I'm taking a walk down the beach now, camera in hand. I'll go and see what's going on over there. Right now you can see they have some decent weather, but then look, the storm again still there. And then blue skies over here. So all good, we're dealing with it. But I took some drone footage which you will see shortly, and they have some big waves out there. A lot of men are coming out of the water studying their safety and because it really is rough. The drone charging, you know, everything's set up. Look, Dumpling getting in the car. Dumpling, you feel San Souci will be good?
Hopefully.
Hopefully. The pictures man hoping for more opportunities to take some good pictures. But the rain is like crazy. It comes every 10 minutes, rains hard, stops. Hard, stop. So I guess this is storm weather life, but let me go and check it out. Waterfall at the side of the road when you come Grand River. So we've just arrived at Grand River, which is obviously very famous for turtle nesting and stuff, but it's actually a fun little surf spot at certain times of the year when there's enough waves, not always. And right now there's about 4 guys out there, so we're gonna chill here for a bit, get footage of them and take some pictures. But I love Grand River. So by the way, if you guys ever do come up to Grand River, be sure to check out the leatherback turtle watching scene here, as well as they have a very good chocolate factory here where they make all organic natural chocolate from Grand River. It's called Grand River Chocolates, in fact, and very, very delicious. Like, they make such high quality products, it's amazing. So always good to come and support the community, but as well as you get some real premium stuff up here, from the turtle watching to eco tourism vibes to the chocolate and that kind of thing. So definitely check out Grand River if you ever get a chance. Highly recommended. So guys, we're at the famous Beach Break Beach now, which is in San Souci, as I told you, and this is where a lot of the local surf competitions often take place. But this beach has been suffering with a lot of erosion over the last few years, and as you can see here, big piece of the road break off, dump them there with the van. But all here, that obviously is a very recent occurrence, and they've been trying to fix this with a seawall for the longest while. So if we walk over here, you can actually see the seawall that they've been building of late, and I imagine they plan to extend it all the way down here to fix all of that. Dumpling taking the pictures. So now where I'm walking, if you see over here, this is a much more modern construction, and I believe this is the plan for the entire beach eventually. They've laid a lot of rocks down there and built this big seawall going across. And that is pretty much to protect the road and the land itself, because the water is constantly eating away at this place here. But anyway, this is Sans Souci, known as beach break to the surfers. And of course, whenever you reach up on Balandra and Toco side, you gotta check my boy here, the pineapple mango chow, man. You don't have some pack out there? You have any now, mate? Let me get a little thing now. That's big brother, right? The pineapple done cut up. And the chow done seasoned. And what you really known for is mixing down the salt prune and the chow, right?
Yeah.
You see all the salt prune and in there?
Yeah.
And the shiny mango.
Yeah, everything inside there.
So before, after.
Right.
So check in whenever you're coming through Matura on your way to Balandra. You'll see the setup here on the side of the road. I'll film it from the road to show you just now. You stop and get your chows. Bless up. So just so you know where it is, when it's on a random corner, so it's easy to miss. But watch it here, you're looking for this. Pine chow, man, is on the corner. Look at here, right? Blue umbrella, kind of melon colored house. And you just pull to the side and you get your best chow.